Alright, y'all, it's Clemon. I'm back with another video. Well, this is the first of its kind. I really just want to go over positions that I'm really confident in, that I've taken advantage of based off of price action and having an understanding of the mechanics of the market. So, this is just me basically recapping what I went over, the position that I caught yesterday and the position that I caught today, and what's currently happening for price to actually do what I think it's gonna do. All right, so we're gonna get into it. All right. So on the 23rd, right? This is the 23rd right here. I noticed there was a fair value gap sitting in between uh, this candle. Well, there was a fair value gap caused by this particular candle. I'm gonna highlight it for you. So this candle right here formed a fair value gap. And if you want to know what a fair value gap is, it's just telling you an area in price where one party didn't get to participate, but the other did. So, for instance, buyers and sellers, uh, the, the only people who was able to participate for real was buyers. And anybody who was trying to sell at the time experienced nothing but loss and probably drawdown and misery. So, the market likes to give people a fair chance at getting in for a buy. So the market sold back into this fair value gap, and that's why I entered there. So when I recognized that the market was going to return back to that area, I said, all right, look, I need more information. I need a confirmation or something. So I took Fibonacci, brought it from the wick of that candle to the wick high, the ending of the move, uh, the ending of that buy movement. This is like the climax for buyers, basically. So when the market started to, fail to break higher than this one, this high failed to break higher than this one, I knew for a fact that the market was going to try and go back somewhere into this gap right here that formed. So it became more clear to me that the market wanted to return to the 79% discount level, which is right here. I'm circling it at the moment. And I said, I'm going to enter there for the buy. And I did. And ever since, the market's been bullish. Bullish meaning that the market's in the favor of people who are buying. At my stop loss, a level beneath the one that I entered on, I'm risking 11 points, and my take profit is, I'm not going based off of these levels, because these extension levels, because I already had a previous target in mind, which is up here, uh, this dotted line or that orange one. So I'm going up there. That's my target. But we're not gonna look at that, okay? We're just gonna say that we're going for this. They're going for this. That's all we want to see right now. Right? So I entered there. We've been blue ever since. The market hasn't stopped me out or anything. The market's been bullish, showing me great potential, and the market's actual desire to go up. We know that price reacts to price always. So I was expecting for price to react to previous price, where price reacted to price, right? So we know that price reacted to this fair value gap. So this is now a relevant low because it reacted to something, forming a new intermediate low. So we're looking at nothing prior to this. Nothing else matters but this most recent information. So let's say it's today, way earlier, around like 7 a.m. Around this time. It was like between 7 a.m. and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Between 7 and 11, I identified the fact that the market was pushing towards something, and I wanted to know what it was. So I said, okay, so if this is the most relevant low, the market's going for something in that low. So what I did was, I was like, bro, this is obviously an order block. So I sized up the order block with my parallel channel, sized it up, said the market's gonna get to this blue dotted line. That's the mean threshold for this order block. I'm gonna enter there, right? So in my head I said I'm gonna enter right here at this dotted line. Boom, that's where I'm entering at, right? So then I got Fibonacci to help me confirm, just, to solidify, make this idea more concrete. So I took Fibonacci from that low, brought it to this swing high, and we got something that slightly corresponded with where we said we're going to enter at, and that was a 79% discount level, which is right here. It's the 79% discount level. So that's an area in which the market was giving us an opportunity to get in at a discounted price for the buy opportunity. So now I'm going to go to what I just recently seen. I think it was on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, I came here and I seen this fair value gap that formed on a smaller time frame. So we call this dotted line for a fair value gap and a mean encroachment. And sometimes the market goes past the mean encroachment and just fills the gap entirely. And it did. And then it just started pushing back up. The market rejected it. So this is now a relevant low because it just did something. You know what I mean? It just reacted to previous price structure. So if we were to highlight all the bounces, we got this one right here that reacted to the fair value gap right here. And then we have this one, this low right here that reacted to this order block over here. Then now we have this reacting to the fair value gap right here. So I know for a fact that the market's intentions is to go higher because it has failed to invalidate this original idea. Well, it's failed to invalidate, it failed to invalidate this original idea right here. And this attempt to push lower than this low failed as well. So I know for a fact that the market's going to push up. Now, I've had a rough year. I've had a lot of moments where I've seen some highs and I've seen some lows. And I just want to actually document that publicly. And that's the whole point of me actually posting these videos. So you like it, you like it. You don't, I don't care whether you like it or not. I'm posting my public success. Y'all are gonna see it. People gonna see it. Y'all can't silence me. But no, for real. Yeah, take care. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna be posting more videos on a consistent basis. Probably not every day because I don't trade every day, but every time I have an idea, I'm gonna post one. But yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.